Hello, good afternoon, good morning. I'm here with you again with another topic presented to you by Virginia State University Spring 2016 Cytology Group. And my name is Anthony Fields, and I'm here with my colleagues presenting a breakdown of the primary journal article titled Transcriptional Upregulation of Puma Modulates Endoplasmic Reticulum Calcium Pool Depletion Induced Apoptosis via BAP activation.
Hello, I'm Shantara Stewart. So first we're going to start off with apoptosis. So that's programmed cell death. Also, it is when cells are no longer needed and commit suicide by the activation of an intracellular death program or a programmed cell death. So P53 induced apoptosis. P53 is known as a tumor suppressor that acts to integrate multiple stress signals in a series of diverse anti-proliferation responses. So when it induces apoptosis, it's in the absence of transcription or protein synthesis, meaning that it is transcription dependent and independent mechanisms that act in a concert together to ensure that the cell death program proceeds in a proficient way. So then intrinsic and extrinsic pathways. So intrinsic is modulated by the BCL2 family. And the BCL2 family is a family of proteins, which is the direct release of the cytochrome C from the mitochondria. And they comprise of anti-apoptotic, so that's pro-survival, and apoptotic members. So the family members are classified based on their structure similar to the BCL2 homology, which is BH. So their domains will be like BH1, BH2, BH3, and BH4, and a transmembrane domain. So BH3 domain is present in all members and is essential for heterodimerization among its members, and the minimum domain is required for a pro-apoptotic. The BCL2 family is divisible into three classes. So that's the pro-survival, like mentioned earlier, whose members are structurally similar to the BCL2, which would be BCLXL. Pro-apoptotic proteins, which are the backs in the back, and then they're structurally similar to the pro-apoptotic proteins. And they antagonize their pro-survival functions and the pro-apoptotic BH3 only proteins. And the important subset of the BCL2 family genes are the P53 targets, which will be BAX, Noxia, Puma, and BID. So the extrinsic pathways. So B53 can activate the apoptotic pathway through induction of genes that encode for the three transmembrane proteins, which is FAS, DR5, and PERP. And FAS is the cell surface receptor. It's a member of the TNFR family of receptors, and it's a key component of the cell death. FAS is activated by binding of its ligands, FASL, which is expressed dominantly in T cells. And the P53 induces the FAS mRNA expression by binding to its elements found in the promoter region and the first intron of the FAS gene.